Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is gullible. It is pronounced bull and is spelt G-U-L-L-I-B-L-E. That's double L. Before we get to today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Gullible is an adjective that means easily persuaded to believe something. It is often used to describe someone who is naive or trusting and easily tricked or deceived. For example, you could say the gullible child believed the stranger's story about the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, or the scammer took advantage of gullible people by promising them easy money. The word gullible is believed to have originated in the early 19th century, possibly as a playful alliteration on the word gull, a bird known for being easily fooled. In the classic story The Adventures of Pinocchio, Pinocchio's gullible nature leads him into trouble on multiple occasions. He easily falls for the promises of the sly fox and the cunning cat, who lead him astray from his path to become a real boy. Synonyms for gullible include credulous, naive, trusting, and unsuspecting. Antonyms for gullible include skeptical, suspicious, cynical, and wary. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Gullible. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.